everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is my intro that is now, what's the time? About 6:30 by my watch.
We're live.
Yeah, we're live.
7:12.
7:12. Anyway, so we got here, my car turned on and then my car subsequently stopped turning on. We worked out eventually that the fuel pump relay died, so now we've just bridged the fuel pump so it turns on all the time. But anyway, the car's working.
Your car's going to burn down. How
Yeah.
hot are the wires?
Yeah, they're not cold. Anyway, so we're gonna go do some laps now. Anyway, yeah, we're at Morgan Park. I don't know if I said that. It's the first night session they've ever had.
It's dark too.
And it's really dark and it's really cold. So yeah, we're gonna go try that out. But anyway, hopefully you can see things on the GoPro. Alright, I kind of half remember the track now.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah, that was horrible. Dude, I had no front grip.
Figured.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, that's good. Good sight lap.
Huh?
Good sight lap.
I was like, this seems cheap.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely just a patch on the outside, zero grip.
Okay.
Yeah. I think I got it worked.
Huh?
I think I got it worked out.
Sweet.
Where is it?
Oh, okay.
Back there. That's right. We lost power steering.
Oh,
Yeah.
I had that problem.
Yeah, really annoying. Alright, so we've done a few horrible laps. The track's like impossible to see. I can't see anything. I'm sure you can see it in the GoPro videos if they worked, but I literally cannot see a thing.
It looks like
Hands free, baby, look at that. I got a fucking tripod. Bald. Hey.
I don't want to film anymore.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so the car like didn't work that great. Anyway, well, no, my driving didn't work that great. But anyway, this is what we've done now. So that's my power steering belt, which is now very broken. So yeah, I guess all those 5 laps are it. Sorry for Casey who was going to drive my car, but
Thanks for the birthday present.
yeah, happy birthday. Shit, oh, what do you mean? He's the one that fucking did a bonnet and bearing like in his driveway.
You just didn't have to break the fucking power steering.
Didn't have to break the one work.
Yeah, I was just bringing it in for you. I was meant to give it to you. Broken.
Anyway, so yeah, car's not working anymore. So anyway, we're gonna have to put it back on the trailer and then fix it. What else happened? Oh yeah, all the boys' cars are broken. So Paul's sweet K70 that he just got not that long ago is broken. Yeah, it won't start anymore. John blew a diff. Josh tried to crash his Crusader a couple times, and then Kai's sore because I'm not sure why.
I reckon he's still got time.
Oh, he fell off a ladder, did he? Yeah. It's his first day being a carpenter. Anyways. You heard him? Yep.
Taking a picture of it.
Yeah, so this is Josh's car here. It looks really nice. And then he's driven through the concrete wall. Not the move. Cars on the trailer. Yeah, so that was a night drifting cut very short. So I guess I will replace the relay, replace the power steering pump, or I might put a new pump in it. It's been the same pump ever since I've had the car, and I've got a spare one at home, so may as well. So I'll do a pump and a belt, and then yeah, that's probably all we need to do. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. Thanks Tyler, working on the car. Sorry Casey for not letting you do any laps in it.
Thanks.
But yeah, make sure you check out the Death Click merch because we got some cool new stuff. But anyway, gonna get out of the rain and go to the pokies.